Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be hopefully turbocharging this crawler with a 9-volt battery. So before we get started, please leave a like and subscribe. The first thing we're going to need to do is try and get this main top bit off so we can get in and find a place where we can solder the 9-volt battery so it's turbocharged. Alright, we're going to have to take the roll cage off now to get to the circuit board in the inside. There we go, that's the roll cage off, and that's the remaining. Now we're going to try and take this top bit off. Alright, that looks like we have the top off now, and here we have our circuit board. It's a very small circuit board, but it's our circuit board. Alright, change of plans. We're going to be using this here with Duracell batteries inside of it. So we're basically adding an extra 3 volts onto what we already have. So right now we are running on 4.5 volts and we're adding 3 volts, which is going to make it 7.5 volts, which I think the motors should be able to handle, and we're going to be soldering it there and here. That's where our main power supply comes from. So at the moment, guys, I'm going to start soldering. Grab some solder onto our tip. Now this is extremely hot, so we have to be really careful. Solder on. Let's try and get to our last one. This one's gonna be a lot more trickier. They're quite tight. Nice. Make sure you use your sponge, by the way, with water. It just helps the tip of the solder cleaner. Alright, we have our things soldered in and our main seats and stuff on. Now we just got to find a place where to put it. I'm thinking having it just here, hot gluing it in, and then this is 3 volts, and then over the top of this we'll have our roll cage, which is over here. I'll grab it, and what it will look like is like that, hidden underneath it, and it will basically be a turbocharged crawler, which I think personally that looks awesome. I officially just hot glued the battery pack on the back for the turbo, and it's looking good. It's all soldered up and I hope it works. The reason why I didn't put it in the roll cage is because it wouldn't fit, so I just put it on the back. I'm going to put the batteries in now and test it out and see if it works. Notice how it lifts up at the front? That's because it's supercharged. Let's see what happens without it supercharged. Now look what happens when we don't have supercharged on. It doesn't lift up as much. In fact, it doesn't even lift up at all. That's it for today's video, everyone. If you want to see more content like this, it's on my YouTube channel, so please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any other content. See you in the next video. Bye.